Which board is faster, the Acedeck X1 or the Acedeck Z1? Today we're going to find out. I'm going to show you how each board accelerates from 0, hitting it as hard as I can right off the line, and we're going to be able to visually compare them on screen. I'm also going to compare the boards to my Starflux, which is a modified FLUX AT2, and see how it kind of stacks up against them. First up, let's take a look at the Acedeck Z1. Okay, so now let's take a look at the Ares X1. Now it's time to see how the X1 and the Z1 stack up against one another in their fastest modes. Okay, so now let's see how the Starflux stacks up against the Z1 and the X1. The Starflux is running 80 battery amps, so that's 40 battery amps per side, and it's running 100 motor amps per motor. All three of these boards right now are geared for a top speed of 37 miles an hour, and they're all on 8-inch tires. Really surprising results. I thought that the 4-wheel drive was going to take it, and I'm just blown away that the NYX just smoked the rest. All of them are fast boards, and all of them are really fun. You can't go wrong. If you're going to pick up an Acedeck, use the link down below. It helps out the channel a little bit, and I'll see you guys on the next ride.